Okay, this video is about solving systems a different way. We've already learned how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing them on the same coordinate plane and then figuring out where they intersect. There is also a way to solve the systems that do not involve graphing. It's a way to solve them algebraically by using what's called substitution. So I'm going to do two sample problems for you on how to algebraically solve a system of equations, and then I'm going to give you one to try on your own to bring tomorrow to class. So the first thing that we need to do when we're solving by substitution is actually do substitution. Here's how it works. We have in our first equation something telling us what y equals. Y equals 3x. Our second equation is x plus y equals negative 32. We know that y is equal to 3x. So in my parentheses, instead of putting y, I'm going to put what y equals. I'm going to put 3x. Once I have substituted what y equals, I just have a regular equation that I can solve for x. We all know how to do that by using all of the tools, inverse operations. In this case, we can combine like terms. This is 1x plus 3x, which is 4x. And then we can divide each side of the equal sign by 4. To get x equals negative 8. Now, we know what x equals, but we don't know what y equals. So we can go back up to the top. Y equals 3 times x. We know what x is. X is negative 8. So y equals negative 24. So my ordered pair is negative 8, comma, negative 24. That means that if I graphed this equation and this equation on the same coordinate plane, the two lines would intersect at the point negative 8, comma, negative 24. Let's do one more. Our top equation is telling us what y equals. In this case, y equals x plus 3. So we're going to take our second equation, and instead of y, we're going to substitute. Okay, instead of y, we're going to put what y equals. So instead of y, we're going to put x plus 3. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video and get yourself caught up. Now that I have substituted, my y is gone. I only have an equation with an x in it, so I can solve it the old-fashioned way. Let's start by solving our parentheses by distributing. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down my equals 38. I have like terms. 2x plus 2x is 4x. Bring down my plus 6. Bring down my equals 38. Let's get rid of our 6 by subtracting it from both sides of the equal sign, which gives me, bringing down my 4x, 38 minus 6 is 32. And finally, let's divide away our 4, leaving us with x equals 8. Now that we know what x equals, we can go up here and find out what y equals. If x is 8, then x plus 3 is the same thing as 8 plus 3. We know that x is 8, so we know that x plus 3 is the same as 8 plus 3. So y equals 11. So if I were going to graph these on a coordinate plane, they would intersect at the point 8, comma, 11. Always write your x first, comma, then your y. So my answer is the ordered pair 8, comma, 11. Okay. Okay, watch this video as many times as you need to kind of get this down pat. I'm giving you one to try. That's one for you. Y equals 2x plus 2. I'm sorry, y equals 2x plus 7. And y equals x plus 1. Go ahead and give that a try. See if you can do it yourself. Bring it to class and turn it in the morning. I'll see you tomorrow.